Today we're going to Wasaga Beach. Wow. Oh, Tito George. Where's your key?
Are you wearing your pajamas?
Me?
We have Melo and Rab for two. We have Patrick. Udensyo.
Good morning.
Okay. Okay, we're going now.
Sino muna
Si Udan nga eh.
Ngayon mo nang alis ka po na.
Okay. Okay, see you soon. I see you there.
But still good. I ate one.
Dayami. God bless our trip, O Lord. Okay.
Okay guys, happy civic holiday. We're off to Wasaga. Okay guys,
left onto Jane Street.
say
Tried to
hi.
guess my secret YouTube
Because
account.
Daddy will
Never mind.
Are you excited guys?
Let's do holiday.
Wow.
Huh? Jet to holiday.
Nothing beats a jet to holiday. And right now,
Aww.
you can save 50 pounds. That's 200 pounds of pay from me.
Head north.
Black Creek 5. Right foot creek. Oh, you recording?
Yes, tayo. 700 meters.
Liam. Of me? Oh no, not too close. If you're gonna do 0.5, not too close.
Bakit kalayo naman, Tito George?
100 meters.
Hello, Mimi Dreamland.
Oh no.
Turn left on the Interchange Road.
Oh. Yeah, no gadget guys. No gadgets because we have to enjoy the beach.
I bring my like what?
Is this recording or wala na? Stop recording. It's not like Wasaga Beach anymore.
Ah. They doing construction. That's why there's no too much people. Isla Tatan. The beach na.
Can we go yet? Like,
Say
I want
hi
to
to
go.
my vlog.
Can you watch us?
We
Ah.
need to unload everything.
Ay, nice. Doon tayo sa may puno.
Still, can you watch us?
The itsura ng
Get out!
Wasaga Beach ngayon.
They need to be
Sa mga gustong pupunta, ito yung makikita nyo.
Father, can we just move spots
They
now?
still doing something here or fixing,
Parang gusto ko mag-washroom na.
they adding more establishment. You wanna go, Pi? Ihi muna ako gano'n.
Just
Let's
go.
go, Pi, gano'n. Okay, we are here na at Wasaga Beach. We moved to the other parking area because there is very crowded. They're doing some construction. And now, this is the view. This is my wifey. You go there? Okay, let's go. Okay.
Okay, we have to park there. Okay, we follow you.
Dito na, maganda tong spot na to.
Ah, dito na?
Yeah. We
Dito, George.
will get the stop now. To the other side? Okay, go inside.
Okay, bye.
Erika. Ate Yuki. Oh, Mami yo. Hello.
Ay, malamig. I think he's cold,
He's
Liam.
cold.
He's cold.
Liam.
Malamig na rin, apay.
Patrick. Kanina kakunting tao, ngayon dami na oh. Kapal na. Liam, you go over there.
Everybody's cold, you know. Ikaw lang yung hindi nilalamig.
Ang batang to. Hindi nang sasawa pala. Oh, ayun o. Laki na katawan o. Piolo Pascual. Oh. Anong sinabi ni Kanjan? Ni Richard Gutierrez.
Lubat na. Lubat na ako. Ano na ako kay... Karataw ba? Karataw na. Imagine nyo, nadiso na pag-sikat na. Leader ni George ba? Leader ka rin ni George ba? Bahay sila.
You George! Mami, tita! Enjoy lang tayo.
No clue ba?
Iyo pa kami. Si Liam at si ayun o. Lain sila o. Liam is enjoying so much. And Noah.
Kasi na already, di ba? Ang kitab. Tapos ni Graciel, ang kundot ma. Grabe ni Graciel. Parang ano eh. Sumo. Sumo wrestler. No, kita man eh. Oh. Nagrugi ka gawin bidyayan to kuhan, lakayan. Oh. Yun lang.
Daming tao.
Parang abag na kami beach in Edson yung dati. Kasi Ah, sige raw. Thank you.
Kaharang naman yung karunong mga to.
Ang papatugtog ka ba dyan? Ya Allah, crocodile ko na kumain. See that? It's like title sa alikat lang din dito.
Ano dyan?
Kakaliw.
Crocodile to. Nakaabot yung crocodile dito.
Crocodile. Naging ano tuloy si dinosaur.
Layo ng nalakad natin.
Nasa gitna pa nga tayo eh. Can you imagine mula doon?
Maluwang tong Wasaga.
Dito kami.
Ha, ang ganda. Ang tawag dyan. Nakabit pang vlog tayo. Okay, we going home na. Thank you, Wasaga. Gawid kami.
Where did you live?
Okay, bye-bye na.
Maybe in the bags.
Baka nandun, nakasama na sa...
Ay, dito siguro nila.
Okay, bye-bye. Oh, let's go.
Ilang taon na kaya yan?
Natakbo pa. Maybe 70s car.
Look at them. They're very tan.
We are not.
Ano yung video?
Liam, wanna see your face, my love?
He is sleeping.
Oh, okay. Guys, you happy?
Ayaw na mag-iwala.
You happy?
Si Liam, ganyan pa uwi na yan eh. Pwede
I
naman.
look like a bee.
Such a handsome bee. Did you like the beach, Thomas? Ate, did you enjoy?
But only one thing.
on the beach.
Only one.
You swim too, right?
The
I swam.
bathroom
Yeah.
has poop on the floor.
Liam doesn't want to be in the water.
On the toilet.
This is my natural hair when I don't touch it. It's like wavy.
Okay.
Anyway.
You had fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody's
One thing,
tired.
the bathroom is dirty.
Look at my hair's a mess,
I
guys.
want to sit next to my sister again.
It's fun.
I want to sit next.
Discover it. Experience. Play your favorites.
Yeah.
You go sleep na, guys.
Go to sleep. Everyone go to sleep. Go to sleep. I'm gonna...
Anong weather?
Ang temperature daw, Erica.
28. Alam mo nung pumunta tayo nung nakaraan, umuulan, no?
Yeah.
Salubong natin yung ulan.
Yeah. no?
Baby. Ayun na yung traffic.
Oh my God.
Ay,
all the
pangdamo
way
nila.
there.
Pangdamo nila. Pang-cultivate.
Yeah, pang cultivate. May talim siya eh. Ang hirap siguro nun, no? Kasi, landok.
Saan tayo mapasok po? Lahaba. Mga ilaw kasi dyan eh.
Cute ng fence nila. Oh. Kala mo, kahoy, pero hindi. Bakal siya.
Siguro may mga kalabaw dati. Ba?
One hour, 23 minutes. Oh my gosh.
Mawasan na nga eh, kanina.
Pero yung barn na to, oh. Cute.
Bakit kaya yung lake dun sa Niagara, hindi na ino-open, no? Kasi bakit kaya? Mataas ang mat. Ganda rin may landscape doon.
Yeah. Child lock sila dati. Child
Yeah.
lock mo sila pareho.
Child lock?
Nakasandal na yung mga nila.
Ganda oh.
Wheat siguro yan, no? Pinag-anihan nila.
May cereal. Anong tawag doon? Oatmeal, no? Yung first date ni Nito Apple.
In 600 meters, turn right onto Wilson Drive, County Road 53.
Baby, come back.
Naka-shades pa ikaw.
At the light, turn right onto Wilson Drive, County Road
Grabe.
53.
North ko na gano'n.
Baby, come back.